If your Alfa start-stop system drives you crazy, this video is for you. Welcome to Eurodiag Garage. Let's begin with MultiEcuScan. Select your vehicle make and model, then choose the correct system and control module. Go to CAN Setup and select Proxy Alignment Procedure. Keep in mind, the menu may vary depending on the model and production year of your vehicle. Make sure you're using the correct yellow adapter. Without it, MultiEcuScan won't connect to the control module. You may see a message saying the vehicle is already properly configured and that proxy alignment is not needed. In that case, just press Yes to continue. Navigate to Adjustments and locate the Start-Stop function. In the right column, check whether the parameter is set to present or not present. Don't forget to read all notes before moving on. Click Execute Selected Function, then choose Not Present and press OK. Confirm the change when prompted. The start-stop function is now disabled. Click Disconnect to finish the diagnostic process. Don't forget, scan first, replace later. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next diagnosis.